to start real estate investment with little or low capital. You don't need to be rich, you don't need to have millions in your account to start real estate investment. What you need is right information, right guidance, and to start smart. And the first thing you should do is that you should focus on developing areas, because developing areas still offer affordable payments or affordable property that you can buy as low as 1 million naira, 2 million naira. It also has a higher potential growth in the nearest future to come, especially properties that are near higher institution, government or private projects. It has the tendency of boosting that area within 2 to 3 years to come. And the second thing you should do is that take advantage of flexible payment plans. Many real estate companies offer flexible payment plans for beginners and also for low income earners. You can pay it monthly, you can pay it weekly, depending on the agreement between you and the real estate company. The third thing you should do is that you should focus on land banking, not buy and build immediately. Buy it in a fast developing area, hold it, and let appreciation work for you over time. Then the fourth thing you should do is that you should be consistent. Consistent payments can secure valuable assets in the future. Take for instance, some of our smart investors that bought into Shiloh Gardens Estate by Medici Homes paid or started with 1 million naira. Some of them also deposited 900,000 naira, and they are not yet done with their payment. But today, the property is now going for 2.5 million naira, 3.5 million naira. That means they took advantage of the payment plan and also they were paying it consistently. That's how consistent payments can secure a valuable asset for you. And the last one is stop waiting for the perfect time, because there's no perfect time in real estate. Prices can never go backward. That's why land can never depreciate, because they are not making more of lands. Lands are not money that they can make more of it, and that's why money keep depreciating because of inflation and devaluation of currency and other things. But it's still land, it can never depreciate. Instead of land to depreciate, it will appreciate faster than you even think. There's no perfect time, and that's how all these our big smart or wealthy investors started. They did not wait for the perfect time, they started earlier. And that's just the secret in real estate. It's not how much you started with, it's how early you started your investment. Assuming there were smart investors that bought into Shiloh Gardens Estate by Medici Homes waited for the perfect time, that means they'll buy it now for 2.5 million naira instead of the pre-launch price of 1.5 million naira. And the best part of it is that some of them that deposited, that took advantage of the flexible payment plans, they are not yet done paying their payment, but they're not going to pay the 2.5 million naira. They're still going to continue with that 1.5 million naira. And people that just rushed now to buy it, whether you are paying it outrightly or you are paying it maybe monthly or weekly, you are still going to pay it for 2.5 million naira. And that's why it's not good to wait in real estate, because there's no perfect time. Land can never depreciate, land can never go like that. The prices of land can never go backward, and that's why it's good for you to start early. And that's why you can also start real estate investment with low or little capital. Focus on developing area, take advantage of flexible payment plans, focus first on land banking. There's no perfect time, and also be consistent, and you will never regret it.